Hey whales, good morning, happy Friday. Let's go over and break down Nvidia. All right, so with that said, let's break down Nvidia. So coming into this week, guys, we were looking for a low on the S&P 500. And yeah, it does look like a potential, right? I'm saying potential loosely here because of the fact that we did get a pretty good reaction off of these lows, okay? Now, don't be surprised though, guys, because some charts are actually calling for one more marginal low, something like this, right? Where we still have a dip here to form a weekly bullish divergence, right? We don't have a weekly bullish divergence yet. And also pairs like the yen pair, the transportation sector, the Nikkei, as well as oil, they haven't reached their respective equal lengths yet. Okay, so they still have some time down to go. So we have to be mindful that this could also happen where an area between like 75 even down to 66 would also make sense, and in my opinion a nicer area to actually get into Nvidia here. Okay, but because of how sort of bullish that reaction was, let's see if sort of this low can hold, and see if on the next dip that happens on Nvidia it holds a higher low, right? And then we can start making a new uptrend. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we're looking for a 1-2 WXY correction being finished. Okay, an invalidation level here at $86. Now I'm going to break it down a little bit further. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame here on Nvidia. All right, so again, we finished off this correction. If right, we're calling it done. So 3, 4, 5 coming down for that Y wave, right, for the wave 2. And now we're looking to see whether or not Nvidia can actually continue to push higher, right? And on the next dip, hold the higher low before it makes another high here, okay? There's a few things we need to consider. The first thing is that right now I only see 3 waves in, guys. I don't see a 4 and a 5, right? So we need to see that 4 and a 5, or surprise, it can do something like this: 1, 2, 3, up, impulse down, break the lows, right? And then closer to 75, as I've mentioned. So that is definitely a possibility. So we need to see over the next few days if we can get above the wave 3, if we can get one more pump for at least a wave 5 here, closer to maybe these levels, right, across here, to grab some liquidity before a 3-wave move towards the downside here. Okay, most people, when you do see those 3 waves, are going to start, trying to long Nvidia here for a chance at this new uptrend that can form, all right, off the lows. So we have to be patient here. We got to see whether or not we get that 5th wave up, or else, again, this could turn ugly real quick and turn into an impulse wave 3, right, towards the downside, right? And all of this could have been a 4, and now we're working on a wave 5 towards the downside, all right? So let's see. Until then, we'll see you there.